Good day, students. Today, let us see about your collaboration diagram. So, when it comes to collaboration diagram, there are three main elements, three main notations you'll be using. First is your object. So, object is represented as a rectangle symbol, and inside the rectangle symbol, you can represent object name colon class name, or simply colon class name can be used to represent the object, or only the object name alone can be used. And then we have links, and then we have messages, and all messages will be numbered. So collaboration diagram is also called as communication diagram. It represents the messages exchanged between various objects in the system. So link tells that one object is related to another object. There's a relationship that existing between two objects, and some sort of communication is going to take place. On top of the link, you'll be having arrows. If it is from the left hand side object to the right hand side object, then this will be representing the arrow mark on top of the link. And then if the message is coming back from the object back to the sending object, then obviously arrow mark will be represented with the arrowhead pointing towards the left hand side. So you have a normal link. On top of the link, based upon how the messages are transferred, either it's going to be this side, this way, or this side. Okay, and then on top of it, you'll be representing the messages. So coming to messages, how many ever messages you can send between one object and the other object, and all the messages must be numbered. It could be directly 1, 2, or it could be 1.1, 1.2, like that. Depending upon the kind of communication, we can number the messages. Then you can have a self message also, which is also called as this message. You have the arrow going back to the object itself. And then we have conditional messages also. So you have the link. On top of the link, we have the messages, right? So if the color is red, it means that speed has been exceeded and you have to calculate the fine. So you can use some conditional messages on top of the link. You can have self messages, and every message is very important to be numbered, because without numbering, if you send any message in collaboration diagram, then obviously it's going to be not in order. No, it's not going to be in order, and in order to avoid chaotic message passing, you better number the messages. And any number of messages can be sent between the objects. So this is an collaboration diagram that represents ordering a book in an online store. So you have online bookshop. You have the actor, the customer, okay, who's going to find the book. So it is one, and then he then what's going to happen is he searches for the book. Then once he finds the book, he adds the book to the cart, and then he makes order for it, and then he will finish the ordering process, and finally the customer will receive the book. Once the book is been received by the customer, or once it's been dispatched to the customer, you have to update the inventory. You have to reduce the count of the book -1. So your collaboration diagram mainly represents the objects and the messages actually that goes between the objects, and objects are numbered. So this way also you can represent object. The object name followed by book name, or just the class name alone can be used. However you want, you can name the object. So this is what is the basic information about your collaboration diagram. Thank you.